Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal Portable. This is Aristocrat, but same as a Quiet Deluxe and similar Royal Portables. We're going to look at this margin, how it doesn't want to line up every time. So if you do it a little harder or softer, but harder, it goes too far. So really, when you butt up against the margin like this right here, and you have this little movement, this is too much movement. And when it's against the margin tight, there should be movement more than that. So it's got to be a sweet spot between this and that. So to adjust that on this machine, it's in the back. So let's hop to this. And I didn't take the cover off here yet, so we're gonna have to do that. This will come off pretty quick, I hope. Yeah, I guess I gotta take all these screws out. Thought I could just do the top ones there, but it looks like they all gotta come out. Alright, wow, it's kind of tight. Okay, we should be able to manipulate this back panel off, flexing these out a little bit, and the panel should come off. There we go. So what we're looking for in here is, let me get my box here to prop the machine up on. Okay, so here's your margin slider right there, and there's your margin, and that's where it comes up and butts against it. So adjustment on this is just this screw right there at the end of this little cylinder, and it is, I thought there was a set, oh yeah, there's a little set screw on the top there that you can loosen if it's that tightens that screw up, but we're just going to see if we can turn it. And we can, so I'm going to bring this out almost a full turn like that. And let's see now what is happening over here in real life. So, okay, so let's see. So now we got that much of a gap, and it shouldn't go past that, even with force. So I slammed that pretty hard there, and it's not going past it. So I think we got it. Oh, it just did. What are you talking about? How did that happen? There's just still too much of a gap, so let's just bring that screw out one more turn, maybe like 3/4 of a turn. That's got some pretty coarse threads. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oops, let's put the margin over here somewhere. Okay, let's try it again. Margin over here. Okay, hopefully, I'm actually think I'm going to go another notch or two on this. Back here. Because it still seems like it's just a half turn out. Just that much extra. Okay, well, that looks good. I think that's it. I'm going to still do a little service and make sure. Yeah, so that little distance is less than it was, and now it won't go past that edge. All right, so that is your basic adjustment for what we call margin banking. At least that's what we call it in IBM. We called it banking. So margin alignment on a Quiet Deluxe series Royal. All right, Typewriter. Good day.